So I'm going to pull out a little my Payne's Gray, and I'm going to take my Phthalo Blue and a touch of my white, okay? So we don't make everything all one shade, so it looks like it is three-dimensional. So I will be adding like a little bit more of a darker color towards the edges. I have my 1-inch flat brush, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to be pulling off here, lifting off, lifting off. We're not using the point unless we're making an edge. So we're going to work on the biggest areas first, and we're going to use like that back of the brush, but every stroke we make is going to be lifting off, lifting off. You can have a touch of water in your brush, pull your paint off to the side pile. Do you see the side pile? And then put the tip of your bristles into your water. And then, because wood soaks up the paint, soaks up a little of the water, but I'd rather you put this on little by little by little and build it up so you can leave some of that wood showing through just a bit, because that will give it that nice rustic look. Now, if you decide you want this nice and solid, solid colors, then you could make it a little bit brighter. But I'm leaving a little bit of that wood showing. And then in some areas I'll make it brighter, which makes it look like it's coming towards you a little bit more. And some areas I'll leave it a little bit darker where it looks like it's recessing back tiny bit. So I like to do that with all my paintings to make sure that they look three-dimensional by not, leaving anything just like all one shade, okay? And so I'm just lifting off. I'm creating kind of like a cloudy look, but I want you to like pay attention to how my brush is. It's like this, it's not like this when I'm pulling it through, okay? I never start with a bright color around the edges. I wait until I'm almost out of paint, and then I'll pull it over here because I don't want it to be so bright going to the edge, okay? Sure you're lifting off. And you see I just keep going back when I have just a little paint on my brush and adding a couple little tiny highlights, throughout. And then blend it out very lightly, lifting off all of my pressure. Lifting off gives you a feathered stroke. If you don't lift off, then you're going to get a harsh stroke with a line in there, like a heavy line. So every single stroke you make sure you're lifting off, okay?